Welcome back to Journey Junkie. This is going to blow your mind. If you're like me, you know that traveling isn't just about the destinations, but also about the journey. And what better way to dive into the local scene than by hopping on public transport? Today, I'll share with you my top 3 tips for navigating public transport like a pro, no matter where you are in the world. So, let's get rolling. Tip number 1, do your research before you go. This might sound obvious, but you'd be surprised how many travelers hop on a bus or train without knowing anything about the local transit system. Each city has its unique quirks. For example, in Tokyo, the trains are punctually on time, and in places like Italy, well, schedules can be more of a suggestion. Use apps like Google Maps or local transit apps to check routes, times, and even ticket prices. Knowing a bit in advance can save you a ton of time and confusion. Moving on to tip number 2, get the right ticket. This is crucial because in many cities, if you don't have the correct ticket, you could face hefty fines. In cities like Berlin or Paris, there are various types of tickets, single journey, day passes, or even tourist cards that offer unlimited travel and can include discounts to local attractions. Some systems require you to validate your ticket before you board, so keep an eye out for those small machines at the entrance of platforms. And lastly, tip number 3, blend in and observe local etiquette. Public transport etiquette can vary wildly from place to place. In London, it's common to stand on the right side of the escalator to let others pass on the left. In Japan, it's customary to be silent on trains. Observing and adapting to these small cultural nuances can not only make your journey smoother, but also helps in respecting the local culture. Plus, it prevents those awkward stares from locals. There you have it, folks. My 3 essential tips for mastering public transport anywhere in the world. Remember, it's all about preparation, having the right ticket, and respecting local customs. With these tricks up your sleeve, you'll be zipping around like a local in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and hey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels, and see you on the road.